name is Reese Patterson. Today I reviewed the Spider-Man Super Web Blaster. First, this product made for children and might not fit most adults. The instructions were difficult to understand and there were design flaws such as the top did not fit on the spray bottle right. However, I managed to finesse the situation and just hold the top down when I wanted to shoot a web. All in all, I give this product a 7.5 out of 10. Well guys, I'm Reese Patterson and I bid you peace and good evening.
Huh!